Hi folks, it's Reed Tobel, Rivers West Auction in Cardwell, Montana for the London Hills Potato Equipment Liquidation Auction. Here's one of two of these 40-foot Logan Track Pro straight conveyors. Somewhere around the year 2015, we believe. We're going to clarify that. It'll be in the description or the title. You can chain these together like they were meant to be, just with that cord right there. Crazy wheels here on the back that you can lock into place. Of course, adjustable front and rear. Really nice shape. You can tell by looking at the sides, there's just not a lot of wear on them yet. Run pretty quiet as well. I believe there's a little 2-horse 3-phase motor. See, we got these tires locked in place right now. You can lock them front or back, or the side if you want. Cardwell, Montana, we are going to sell this as part of the London Hills Potato Equipment Liquidation in June.